head. When we happy together until she got pregnant. She didn't want the baby to look like her. She never told me because I love the baby. Of course it's my baby. One day I woke up with my homies. Came back, couldn't find my baby.
Keep streaming Mary Jane by Flooz. Keep streaming Mad Love by Flooz. My fisting food job.
I look into her eyes and all I see was dead. Fuck. I knew she did something crazy. Of course she's crazy. I asked her was my baby. She told me
Team Soda. Shout out to Team Soda, my brother. It will clean your lungs. It will wash your system. It will do many, many things. It's a drug. What I mean by drugs is a medicine. Medicine mixed in a liquid substance, what they call. Just drink it and see. Before 2 days, after finish, your system flush, you piss, you shit it out. Everything alright. Keep streaming Mad Love by Flooz.